Imagine there was no more bowls and you had to use cups with cereal. You see that? And you see that? And you don't have any spoons and only one spoon. And your decision is to make just no spoon and just drink it. And here's my decision. That was just my decision. I just took a bath. My bestie here.
Tututatin to.
Uy, wag! Magme-melt yan ng ano.
Oh, marami ba yung drain dun sa baba? Hindi. Bakit mo ba? Saan?
Okay, go.
Bebek. Really go down in between? Wait, what's this thing? Does anyone see this part?
Ubus na.
Hindi pa. May cereal pa. Nainom mo lang ng ano, gatas. Ma! Laro tayo. We're playing this whole area.
Mati ka willing to, tikaw.
Andi si mama ko.
Asam supang sila. Ay!
Nakamalsino. Bye guys.